So in this video, we're going to talk about what is OpenClaw and what are the use cases and how it can benefit you in your daily life. Before learning what is OpenClaw, we must first understand the person behind it. We must basically know who he is. Peter developed OpenClaw, who is basically a developer from Vienna who came back from retirement to work with AI. If you don't know, he was also a founder of a company called PS which is an open source project as well. And the mascot represented in OpenClaw's logo is named as Claude. So basically, it was called as CloudBot, and it had some issues with Anthropic over copyright claims. So he had to change the name to first Molbot, and now it's called as OpenClaw. So the entire community calls it the early stage of AGI because it does task end to end on your behalf, and it can do a lot of tasks, and it has its own memory as well. So that's the reason basically people call it the AGI. And Andrej is also endorsing this open source project because it's next level. Like the use cases, the things you can do is actually an advanced tech, and what we have achieved, which should have been achieved 10 to 15 years by now, has been achieved now. So it's really a revolutionary tech right now. So many people call him an overnight success, but because that is not the case, because as you can see his GitHub, like he has been doing this for a lot of long time. Like you can see different projects in his GitHub as well. And OpenClaw is something which blew up, and because it's really a nice tech, nice open source tech to have. So that's the reason it blew up. So what actually is OpenClaw? So OpenClaw is nothing but it's an AI agent that lives inside the apps you already use, especially messaging apps like WhatsApp, Telegram, iMessage, Slack, Discord, etc. So it's more like you're texting a friend and or your employee who actually does texts you back and gets things done. So OpenClaw runs on your machine. You can deploy it in a virtual private server as well, or deploy it in a VPS as well. It follows the rules you set it. It connects your integration. Basically, you can integrate it with your Telegram, WhatsApp. You can integrate it with your Gmail and other APIs to get things done. And it also has a memory which is really useful. Like it can remember the ongoing task you have, ongoing problems you are facing, and you can like it can basically help you solve those problems. You're just a chat away, and it just not just replies, it actually gets things done. And another thing is OpenClaw is proactive, not reactive. So what do I mean by that? So other LLMs like ChatGPT, Claude, you ask it something, it replies you back. But OpenClaw just doesn't reply you back, it gets things done. Like if you ask him, hey, develop me an app, it will develop you a full-blown app and do anything required to do that. And another thing is how is OpenClaw is able to do this is because it has full system access. So it's OpenClaw is nothing but an LLM with hands and keyboards attached to it, so it can get things done as if an employee is doing things for you, and so you can basically uh, you can treat it as a digital assistant. And some of the use cases are you can like start with a morning briefing, like you can ask OpenClaw what did you get done yesterday, and it will give you a briefing of what was pending to do and what needs to be done. You can also set reminders and alerts as well. You can do a full-blown action, like it can book flights for you, can manage emails for you, it can browse web for you and get things done. Like the use cases are infinite. Like you can use it for any use case you want, and it will get it done basically. So OpenClaw, how it works is like OpenClaw is an AI interface where the brain of OpenClaw is LLMs like ChatGPT, Claude, etc. One thing you need to note is like OpenClaw is free as a product, but you need to still pay the API or API usage charges of ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, etc. And you basically access OpenClaw through messaging interfaces like WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, and it uses tools or skills to get things done. So that's how OpenClaw works.